when we discover a certain quality in a person, only then are we able to really appreciate that person. So for example, if you have a mother, we all have parents, we all have children, we all have family. So consider your mother. You have great love for your mother. We all profess love and affection for our mothers. Why do we do that? Because we have discovered that our mother is our benefactor. She is the woman who has given birth to us. She is the woman who has taken care of us as we grew. She has raised us, and she has unconditional love for us to the extent that she sacrifices her moments of rest for the sake of us. So we have discovered all of that, and therefore we love her. We return our emotion of love for her. And the same is the case with our spouses. If you have a spouse, your husband or wife, and you have love for your husband or wife, it's because you have discovered something about your spouse which you realize is so important for you, so important for your companionship or your partnership. It could be your spouse's emotional support, their caring nature for you, or their cooperative and harmonious relationship that you enjoy with them. So when you discover a certain feature in your spouse, only then are you able to love your spouse. So love does not, or discovery of a person's worth does not happen in vacuum. You first of all understand why a person is important for me. What is it about that person which is so necessary? What is it about that person which is so special? So when you discover the speciality, when you discover that special attribute of a person, you are able to appreciate that person. So the same is true of God Almighty. We can experience closeness to God. We can experience love for God. We can experience a state of being very near to God when we discover certain attributes of God which bring about this relationship of love, which develop this relationship of love. And the greatest attribute of God that turns us eagerly towards God is that God is our all-powerful, all-merciful, all-compassionate creator. The attribute of Him being a creator is the most important aspect of building a relationship of love for God. Because when a creator creates you, you realize that He has created you from nothing. You were non-existent before your birth, and you were given existence out of nothing. So everything that you have, every ability you have, every feature you have, your looks, your appearance, your nature, your tangible and intangible characteristics, all have been given to you by your Creator. You have been fashioned into existence by your Creator. And similarly, when you come to this world, when you take birth in this world, and you are born and raised in this world, you realize that this world has been created in a way that is so favorable and so propitious for you. Everything in the world is such that it helps you grow. Even if you meet failure, God has created immense positive aspects in failure. Failure also makes you learn. Every factor in this world, every element, everything is meant to help you to unfold the potential which is there within you. So when you realize how God Almighty has all the attributes, all the strengths, all the powers which have helped you to be what you are, you realize how humble you are. You realize that whatever you have is not something which you have created. Your success has also is not your achievement. It has not been created by you. Your success also has a direct hand of God. So you realize God Almighty's all-powerfulness, and you realize your all-powerlessness. And when you discover this attribute of the Creator, you are able to appreciate Him. You are able to submit yourself before Him. Your submission before Him, your prostration, your bowing down before Him is full of feelings. It's full of emotions. So it's only when we are able to discover the greatness of the Creator, we are able to develop a relationship of love with Him. Because in discovering our Creator, we also discover our humility, we discover our helplessness. And when we build that equation between ourselves and the Creator, we are able to experience closeness to Him. We are able to experience nearness to Him. So this is why humility is so essential in discovering God Almighty.